Welcome to the channel. This is going to be number 2 in this. With the first one there, we did about the rear wheel tubs in this car being kind of mashed down, and there was a lot of great comments made about it, and definitely some things that we hadn't even considered. So thought when we come across something else that is worth asking, might as well throw it out there and see what viewers know about it. Also, I want to say to the guy on the assembly line who thought it would be pretty funny to throw a mitt behind the dash 60 years ago, we found it, and we thought it was pretty funny too, actually. So I'm going to switch the camera around, and I'm going to actually peel away. I'm going to show you the floor first. So as we got everything stripped, we've got the dash out of the car, and you can see, of course, there's lots of corrosion, there's remaining paint, there's the tar that they put on at the factory, but there was this one spot here where you can see it looks like a piece of stainless steel under some seam sealer, and I haven't peeled it away yet, so I thought, well, I'll wait until we're actually having a look at it, and I'm going to peel it away because it seems to have a very distinct logo on it as well, and it almost appears like a plug. So I guess the question to the viewers is, if you know what this plug represents, please let us know in the comments, because this is something that we came across and we went, huh, I mean, it looks like an inspection thing of some sort, but if you know, please let us know. And of course, thanks for watching.